A marble soap? Can she soap it? I'm adding my fragrance oil to the melted oils before I add the lye water solution, and I'm doing this for two reasons. The first one is that I'm not making layers where I want them to set up a little bit between each pour. Another reason is that I didn't want to incorporate it into the batter later and risk over blending and accelerating my batter. For this to work, I had to make sure that I was using a fragrance oil that I'm very familiar with and know that it will not accelerate trace. The goal for this marble design is to create kind of a linear pattern, which is why I'm pouring in a back and forth diagonal motion to keep lines kind of going like the veins in marble. So what I'm doing here is adding texture and the same flow of the veins that I've already tried to create within the soap. Then I'll add a mica line to the top for some gold detail. This mica layer will add gold details to the textured lines in the marble design. I attempted to modify the technique for adding a mica line in the Soap Challenge Club tutorial. I've seen people use a tea strainer to dust on mica lines, but I did find this organza bag to be quite helpful. I also blew the extra mica off the soap and cleaned up the sides of the mold before mixing up the top layer. I mixed up this top layer exactly the same way that I did the bottom layer, where I put the fragrance oil into the melted oils, added the lye water solution, and blended to emulsion and separated everything up. So now we're just ready to pour. I tried not to destroy the mica line by pouring onto the spatula first so that it would break the fall a little bit, and now I'm just trying to add that linear kind of veining again with the colors. Once I finished pouring, this went into the oven to C-pop, and then I cut it the next day. So to find the marble pattern, I first had to cut the soap vertically into 3 separate pieces, and then I had to take each piece and turn it onto its side to cut through it horizontally through the mica line that I made. Then when I opened it up, I could see the marble pattern.